Hi. Greenie, stand up. Good morning, class. Good morning. Please sit down. Okay. Now, please take out your student's book. Okay, turn to page 101, 101, 101. Okay, Monday we stop here, right? Okay. So this is the time zone. Then I will let you listen to the audio first. Okay. So please let me know if you cannot hear the audio. Wait for a while. Okay. Can you listen? 听得到哦，我没有 show 那个 PowerPoint 听得到啊 OK. So this is the time zone. Okay. This is the time zone, and then we call the time zone for this one is a longitude. Okay, longitude. So every time zone, every place, and the time zone is different. So okay, so this is the green mean time GMT. Okay, 这一条线呢是 GMT green mean time. It means our time start from here. Okay, we count from here. For example, this one is 00 mean 0. Okay, start from this one, and then we count forward or count backward. Okay, 那个时间呢，我们是从这里开始算起的。OK， 所以我们是跟着蓝灯的时间。那么蓝灯的时间呢，它现在几点，我们就倒退或者是前进多少个小时。OK， so this is how we count the time, and how we count the degree. Okay, so this line we call longitude. Okay, this time we call longitude. After this, maybe in when you go to secondary school, if I'm not wrong, in geography, okay, geography, you will learn about this one. Okay, 在你的这个geography 课，等你上到中学去的时候 ，geography 课它会有学这个东西。如果没有记错的话好像是有学这个东西。Okay, so here, read and listen to the text again and write true or false. Correct the false sentences. Okay, so listen again for this 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is false and which one is true? Please write it down here. OK， 那么呢，它哪里对哪里错呢？你把它写下来哦。OK, so I will let you listen again to the audio. Listen carefully, ah.
Exercise 2. Time zones help us know what time it is in different parts of the world. This is because when the Earth rotates, the sun shines on only one part of the Earth. So when it's the morning in your country, it's nighttime in another country. The Earth has got 24 time zones. The lines for each time zone go from north to south. These are called lines of longitude. The line on the map at 0 degrees longitude is called the prime meridian. This line goes through Greenwich in London. The time there is called Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. The Earth rotates 15 degrees of longitude every hour. 24 times 15 degrees equals 360 degrees. Places east of the prime meridian are ahead of GMT. For example, Istanbul is about 30 degrees east of the prime meridian, so the time there is GMT plus 2 hours. Places west of the prime meridian are behind GMT. For example, Rio is about 45 degrees west of the prime meridian, so the time there is GMT minus 3 hours. So, when it is 12 p.m. in London, it is 2 p.m. in Istanbul and 9 a.m. in Rio.
Okay, so we look at the question. Number 1. Line of longitude go from east to west. Correct or wrong? 对吗？时间是从 Yeah, false. False. So it's from north to south. It's from north to south. Okay, so you have to correct it. Number one is false. So you have to change east to west to north to south. Okay. 是的。什么事？第二题你有看到我在放第二题吗？Okay. Number 2. The prime meridian is the name of a time zone. Correct. True or false? Is it time? Is it the meridian? The name is time zone. Meridian 它的名字是不是叫 time zone? True or false? True or false? 第二题。Yeah, false. Okay, false is not the name of the time zone. Okay, so it's not called time zone. Okay, so you have to change it to lie at 0 degree. Okay, degree. I cannot write it degree, so you write a degree 啊。OK， 那个上面的一个零我写不到上来，你自己写啊。OK，0 degree longitude. OK， 那个 zero 那边啊，那个零那边上面要加多一个小小个的那个小符号，那个零 ，OK， 小小的符号。OK，you have to add on a small zero up here. Okay, that one is degree, because my computer cannot type it, so you write it by your own. Next, number 3. The Greenwich is a part of London. Is it Greenwich is a part of London? Yes or no? True, yes. True. Number 4. The time in places west of the prime meridian is ahead of GMT. Is it correct? Is it places west? Okay, it's false. It's not west. It's east. Okay, next we go to question 3. Okay, section 3. Look at the clocks and answer the questions. At London, okay, in London is 9:30. New York is 5:30. Madrid is 10:30. Brasilia is 6:30. Brisbane is 7:30 and Beijing is 5:30. Okay, so New York and Beijing is the same, but one is AM and one is PM. It's different. Okay, even it's same, but one is AM and another is PM. Okay, because it's behind. Okay. 因为那个 New York 跟那个北京它的时间是一样的，可是呢，一个是早上，一个是晚上，为什么呢？因为他们两个背对面，OK。还有其他的呢，是我们根据这个 London 的时间来去调整我们其他的时间，OK，就是要前进几个小时或者是后进几个小时，OK。So we all we follow London's time zone and then we adjust the according to the longitude. Okay, so number one, in which country are city number 1 to 6? Okay, so means city is mean this is in which country? In which country? Okay, so number one, London. London in which country? London 在哪里呢？ London 在哪一个国家？ London in which country? Hello? London is in England. Okay? London is in England. Yeah. So next, New York. New York in which country? Anyone? Yeah. USA. Okay, USA. So next, Madrid. Okay, anyone know Madrid in which country? Okay, Madrid in Spain. Okay, next, Brasilia. Brasilia? Yes, Brazil. Oi, what a Brazil. Okay, Brazil don't have apostrophe. I suddenly typing error. Okay, Brisbane. Okay, so this is Australia. Australia. So number 6, Beijing, very famous. Beijing in China, 中国. Beijing in China. Okay, Beijing in China. Beijing is the capital city for China. Okay. So we go to question 2. Is New York ahead or behind GMT? So this one, New York, is ahead. Ahead means faster than London or slower than London's time. 快还是慢？ Yes, slower. So it's behind. It's behind. Okay, so this one, question number 2, is behind. Yes, it's behind. So when London already 9:30 a.m., but New York, they're still sleeping. They're still at 5:30 a.m. Okay, 5:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. is different. So when London now it's 9:30, they are having breakfast. So New York, they still sleeping. Okay, now the time is 5:30 only. Okay, so it's behind. So this one is behind. Okay, next, number 3. How many hours ahead of GMT is Beijing? Okay, how many hours? We start from here and then we count. Now London is 9:30 a.m. but Beijing already 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. So how many hours different? 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, and 5:30. So the difference is 8 hours. Okay, we count like this, 8 hours. Okay, you can see my fingers. So it's 8 hours ahead. It's 8 hours ahead. Okay, next, number 4. How many hours behind GMT is Brasilia? Okay, Brasilia, this one, behind. Now, Brasilia is only 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. So 6:30 behind is mean we count from 9:30 to 6:30. 9:30 we count backward, 9:30, 8:30, 7:30, 6:30. So we go backward. Now is 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. So it's 3 hours behind. Okay. Number 5. If it's 12 p.m. in London, okay, so we have to adjust our time to 12 p.m. 12 o'clock. What time is it in Brisbane? Okay, Brisbane. So now we count this one first. 9:30 and 7:30. 9:30 and 7:30. So the difference is 9:30, 8:30, 7:30. So you go backward. It's only 2 hours behind. 2 hours behind. So if London go to 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay, London's now is 12 o'clock. So we go 2 hours behind also. 12, 11, 10. So it's 11. So it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. because we go backward. OK， 我们向后退。OK， 所以我们向后退的话呢，这里9点半跟7点半，所以我们向后退，这退后2个小时。那么 London 它在12点的话，我们一样也是向后退2个小时，所以它是在10点。OK， so it's 10. So it's 10 p.m. 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. Okay, next. You are in New York at 9 p.m. Is it a good idea to call your friend in London? Why or why not? Okay, so now you are 9 p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. So we count for this one. How many hours? 9:30. Okay, 9:30. We go backward. 9:30, 8:30, 8:30, 7:30, 6:30, 5:30. Okay, so it's 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. Now if New York time is 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Okay, so you go forward, okay, because London you have to go backward, okay. Oh, sorry. If you are in New York, yes, New York 9 o'clock, so you have to go forward because here you go forward until 9:30, so here also go forward 4 hours. So 10, 11, 12, 1, so that is 2 hours, 2 o'clock, okay, 2 o'clock. So 9点半、9点半、8点半、8点半、7点半、6点半、5点半 ，OK， 所以这里是5点半的话，它是相隔大概是4个小时，所以在这里的话呢，它是9点的话，我们就要退回4个小时去，10、11、12，所以它是1点，OK， 1点 ，so it is 1 a.m. OK， 1 a.m. yes. Okay, no, because it's 1 a.m. Okay, so people are sleeping, you cannot call them. Okay, next 7. How many hours ahead of or behind GMT is your country? Okay, so in our country, we go to London here, London. So Malaysia is here. This is Malaysia. Okay, can you see Malaysia? Yeah, very small. Okay, very small. This is Malaysia. So you have to go. You have to plus hours. Plus hours mean you have to add on. Okay, add on how many hours Malaysia is here. Okay, 马来西亚在这里。马来西亚在这里哦。所以我们需要加上 8 hours. We have to add on 7, sorry, 8 hours. We have to add 8 hours. Okay, we have to add 8 hours ahead. So here maybe you can say 8. It is 8 hours ahead. Okay, eight hours ahead. So for example, now our time is 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. We have to count backwards. So now London is 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4. Okay, so now London is only 4 a.m. Now London is only 4 a.m. OK， 所以现在如果我们因为呢，他说从那个 London 算起的话呢，我们需要往前8个小时。那么现在我们从我们马来西亚算起的话呢，我们就要往后8个小时才知道 London 是到几点。所以现在如果我们往后的话呢，我们就从11点算起，11、10、9、8、7、6、5、4， 8个小时。所以这8个小时现在 London 呢是4点早上 ，OK， 早上4点 ，OK。Now London is only 4 a.m. Okay, next. Complete the table, then ask and answer question about the time in the different city. Okay, London, GMT. London don't have any GMT time. So now London is 1 a.m. Tokyo, we have to plus 9 hours, means we have to go forward 9 hours. So now London is 1 p.m. We have to go 9 hours. We have to plus 9 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. So now Tokyo is 10 p.m. Now Tokyo is 10 p.m. Okay, 现在 Tokyo 是10点，晚上10点。Okay, so you have to write it down. Tokyo is 10 p.m. Okay. Next, Mexico City. Okay, Mexico City is now 8 a.m. So this is p.m. This is a.m. Sure. p.m. Then we have to go backward. OK， 我们要倒退走才会变成早上。倒退走变成早上的话，我们就要用来减。倒退走变成早上的话 ，so we have to start from 1. OK, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9. Sorry 啊，1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8，对吗？是吗？8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1。哦，sorry，对不对呀？哦，no no no no。So we have to minus, yeah, minus 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, we have minus 7 hours. Okay, Mexico City is minus 7 hours. Minus 7 hours. Okay, 用来减。Okay, we just minus and plus. Easy for us. Okay, minus and plus. Okay, next, this one is Sydney. Sydney 11 p.m. So we have to go forward. Okay, Sydney actually is here. This is Australia. Okay, Australia is below our country. 我们的马来西亚在这里 ，Australia 在我们的下面，所以是在这里。然后我们是往前走。Okay, so 11 minus 1 is 10 hours. Okay, p.m. So we go forward. We go forward. Then this one is plus 10 hours. OK， 所以这里的话呢，它往前走的话，我们就要加10个小时，因为11减1等于10，所以10个小时 10 hours 是有一点乱啊。OK， 要学会怎样看哦。OK， Rio minus 3 hours minus 3 hours. So we start from 1, 12, 11, 10. So now it's 10 a.m. OK, 10 a.m. 所以它扣3个小时的话，那我们从1点倒退算，1点倒退算的话呢是1点、12点、11点、10点，所以是10点，早上10点，早上10点。OK, so Rio is 10 a.m. Rio is 10 a.m. Next, Istanbul. Plus 2 hours mean you have to go backward 2 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 2 hours. So it's 3 o'clock p.m. 3 o'clock p.m. Istanbul is 3 o'clock p.m. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now we go to page 107. Okay, we go to 107. Weird festival. Oh, okay, before this, I show you another one. 107. Okay. Okay, so just now it's about May Day. Okay, in May, all the celebration will be done in May. Okay, that is a bit weird festival. Okay, we won't celebrate in our country, but in others country they will celebrate it. Okay, so maybe some you never saw it or you never heard about that. That is May Day in Western country. Okay, so today we learn about this. Okay, weird festival. Yes. 哇，很快。Okay, so we look at this. Match the words in the box with picture 1 to 5. Okay, number 1, right. Which picture? Right. Picture number 第几个？第几个 picture 是 right? Yes, picture number 5, right. Okay, you have to write it here. Right. Camel. Picture number 3. Yes, camel. Troll. Picture number 1. Trophy. Picture number trophy 4. Okay, this is trophy. This is what we call trophy. 奖杯 trophy. Valley. This is valley. Okay, the shoes. This we call valley. Okay. Look at the photo and answer the question, then read the text and check your answer. What do people do in valley wanging? And what do people do in the camel cup? Okay, this one, for the first one, what do people do in valley wanging? That is, they throw Wellington boots. Okay, they throw Wellington boots. Okay, later you will read about this valley wanging. Okay, so for section 2, number 1 is they throw Wellington boots. Okay, the second one, what do people do in the camel cup? So they use camel to have a race. Okay, they race camels. Okay, next. Weird festival. Okay, this festival you might not listen before. Okay, so this one valley weighing. Do you like interesting sports? Have you got any green valleys? Then you are ready for valley weighing. Every year, there is a valley weighing world championship in Upperton, a village in Yorkshire, England. What does valley weighing means? In Yorkshire, they don't say throw, they say wang. Okay, so they changed the word throw to wang. In this sport, if you wang your very further than the others, you win. It's great fun. There are 4 competitions, that is for men, for women, for boys, and for girls. It's easy to wang your belly, but it's more difficult to win. Adult winner get a trophy and the children get some money. but not very much. Football and rugby are bigger sports, but rally wagging is more fun. Okay, so for this one, in London, every year they will have this competition. So every year they will have the rally wagging world champion. Okay, it's for world championship. OK， 是世界的啊。OK， 世界的一个比赛来的。所以他们是怎么样呢？他们丢他们的那个靴子。OK，they will throw, they will wang their Wellington boots. Okay, so this we call Wellington boots. Okay, Wellington boots. The boots name will call Wellington boots. 这个靴子的名字叫做 Wellington boots. Okay, so they call this sport valley wagging. Okay, valley wagging. They call valley wagging. Okay, so in this sport, they will have they will category to four competition. That is for men, for women, and for boys and girls. Okay, so they got four competition. And if you want to wank the boots, it's very easy. You just wank like this. But if you want to win the competition, but it's more difficult because they want to see who will wank the boots highest. Okay, they will fight who will rank the boots highest. And for adults, they will get the trophy. But for children, they will get some money. They won't get the present them trophy, but they will present them money, but not much. Maybe 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 100 pounds, and so on. Okay, not much. 那么呢，这个比赛呢，它很容易，你就可以很容易就丢上去。可是呢，如果呢你要赢这场比赛的话呢，他们就要看哦，谁丢的那个鞋子，谁丢的越高的话呢，那个人才会赢的。那个鞋子其实还有重量的，如果你要丢的话呢，其实它不简单丢的。如果要丢很高的话，那么呢，如果是成人的话，就是 for men and women， 他们赢的话呢，他们就会给他一个 trophy。OK， 就是一个奖杯。但是如果小朋友的话呢，就是 boys and girl 的那个 category 的话，他们就会给他赢到的话呢，他就会给他钱。但是给他钱的话呢，他们也是给很少罢了，因为它只是一个比赛，一个小游戏这样子。可是它是 World Championship， 它是给全世界的人都可以去参加的。OK， 所以它是一个很特别的一个 festival 来的。那么呢，如果你是讲在这个在这个 England 的话呢，它哪一个sport 是最大的呢 ？OK，in England the more bigger sport is football and rugby. OK， 那么呢就是那个 football，OK，World Champion football now I think is having now the World Champion. OK，FIFA Europe FIFA World Football World Cup 啊 ，OK。所以你看哦，那个就是叫什么啊？那个足球 ，OK， 足球是他们数一数二最大的那个运动，所以你可以看到现在好像是正在进行中的那个足球比赛，全世界足球比赛，它应该好像是2年还是4年啊？好像2年还是4年一次的那个比赛，最大的那个比赛，全世界都在关注的那个足球比赛 ，OK。然后另外一个比赛呢，就是橄榄球 rugby，OK，the another one is rugby，OK，rugby 是橄榄球的，the ball will be oval shape，OK，oval shape，and then they will play root，OK，the sport is quite root。那么呢，这个橄榄球的比赛呢，它的那个玩法呢，有一点暴力，所以呢，有的时候会弄伤那些玩的那个参赛者 ，OK， 它是有一点暴力，有一点暴力的，所以都会受伤的。OK，so this two is the biggest sport in England, and for wearing wagging is just a festival for them. OK, just a festival for them, and every year they will celebrate this festival. OK， 那么呢，这个 very wagging 呢，这个丢靴子的这个比赛呢，它只是一个一个节庆罢了 ，OK， 它是一个节庆，所以呢，每一年呢，他们有一个习惯，就是会 举行这个节庆，然后每个人呢都会来丢那个靴子，然后有些人他们就是知道的人呢，他们都会去参加这个比赛咯。如果很少人会知道这个东西啊，除非是他们当地的人罢了。OK， so next is Camel Cup. Next is Camel Cup. The Camel Cup is a day of camel race in Alice Springs, Australia. Every July, 5,000 people from all over the world visit the festival. The camels are slower and uglier than horses, but faster than you think. They are noisy animals and difficult to drive. It is very exciting to watch. It is also very funny. There are nice races during the day and a carnival atmosphere. People eat a lot, wear colorful clothes, and watch the races. They sometimes ride the camels too. So in July means this month. Okay, this month because of COVID-19. So I don't think they celebrate this festival. But for the past year, okay, past year, they will celebrate this carnival. So what they celebrate, they will having a camel cup. Okay, they were having a camel cup and they ride the camel like the picture shown. Okay, they will ride the camel and they race it in Australia. Okay, in one place, the Australia and in a town that is Alice Springs. Okay, Australia got a town they call Alice Spring. 那么在 Australia 呢有一个地方叫做 Alice Spring。他们呢在7月的时候，每一年7月的时候都会比赛，这个叫骆驼比赛。OK， 骆驼比赛。So they got 5,000 people. Always they got 5,000 people for all over the world visit the festival. OK， 那么呢，他们限定5000个人呢可以参加这个比赛。OK， 所以这5000个人从哪里来呢？世界各国。And the camel are slower than horses. Okay, when you ride the camel, yes, there is slower than horses, but faster than you think. Of course, when you ride fast, that is faster than you think. OK， 那么呢，它是比马慢一点啦，可是呢，它还是属于是快的。OK， 你骑上去的话呢，它是蛮高的。OK， 如果你有骑过的话，它真的是比你骑马的时候还要高。OK， 所以如果你有恐高症的话啦，你会害怕的。OK， so it's not like the horses. And then the camel is one of the noisy animals. OK， 那么呢，这个 camels 呢，它其实是一个很吵的动物来的。OK，and very difficult to ride. OK，if you try to ride horses, if you've been try to ride horses, when you go and ride the camels, that is very difficult for you to ride. Okay, because they got the two what we call mountain. Okay, the small mountain behind the camel's back. Okay， 那么呢，那个骆驼后面有2个那个叫什么驼峰。OK， 驼峰。所以你坐上去的话，你就是坐在它的中间。那么如果你要骑的话呢，它骑的话呢，它不像马这样。如果你有骑过马的话，你就大概知道，它跟那个骆驼，如果它骑骆驼的话呢，跟骑马是不一样的。那么骆驼骑马的话呢，你会觉得那个马背它是直的嘛 ？OK， 所以你骑的话，它只是向后前后移。那么骑这个骆驼的话呢，它的那个感觉会是很不一样的，而且它非常的难骑，它不像马这样驯良。它马有时候会发脾气嘛，然后你就是叫马走，马就会走。可是骆驼的话呢，如果你要叫它走的话，你要有一些技巧叫它走啦。OK，but it is very exciting to watch and it is also very fun. OK， 但是呢，你看大家一起骑的话呢，你会觉得很funny 的。OK，so There are 9 races during the day and a carnival atmosphere. People eat a lot, wear colorful clothes, and watch the races. They are in that place. Not only 5,000 people, more than 5,000 people. They prepare a lot of food and then they eat a lot and they wear very colorful clothes and they watch people to raise the camel. Okay, so if you've been there, you will feel very fun. Okay, so everyone they raising the camel, and if you if got the chance, you can rise the camel also. Okay, you can try to ride the camel. 那么呢，在那里呢，你可以看到他们有准备很多食物啦，然后很多那些你可以去那里尝试他们的很多当地的食物啊。然后他们在那里呢，他们会穿各种不同，他们准备了各种不同颜色的那种衣服，OK，他们自己手工制作的一种衣服，OK，他们当地人的衣服。然后呢，你可以去那里看到，哇，很多人穿到不同的衣服。然后呢，还可以在那里看他们比赛。那么有的时候呢，有些人呢，他们会把他们的骆驼放在旁边，然后你可以去 request 他们，就跟他们说，哎，我可以不可以试骑一下你的这个骆驼？他们很愿意的，他们会给你，就是给你骑上去的。OK，so this is the festival in Australia. OK，this is two weird festival in London and Australia. 然后这两个就是他们特别的地方啦。OK。So we look at the question. In which country is the belly wagging championship? Okay, which country will having the belly wagging championship? 哪一个国家他们会庆祝这个 belly wagging championship? In which country? 在哪一个国家？啊？在哪一个国家 ？Hello？刚才我们讲在哪一个国家呀？刚才我们讲两个国家。Okay, just now we talk about two countries. So which country having belly wagging? 哪一个国家？Australia 是 camel，所以在 belly wagging 的话呢，我们是在 England，OK， 我们在 England， 在英国，OK， 英国啊，OK，England， Yorkshire，如果没有念错的话啦，它应该是叫 Yorkshire，应该是叫 Yorkshire。OK，so 因为某些音它要跟着当地的音来念，很像我们念的话有的时候会是不对音的，好像你去到 Australia 很多地方它的那个街道的名字啊，你看到的那个名字它是这样子念的，但是它有它当地的那个音，当你问它的时候你的音跟它的音是不一样的，不是他念的，不是我们念的那个音，不是我们跟着那个音来念的，他们有他们当地的那个音。OK， so next number two, which festival in Australian? Which festival in Australian? OK, Australian 他们庆祝什么 festival? What festival are they celebrate? The Camel Cup. Okay, the Camel Cup. Next, number 3. How many people watch the Camel Cup? Okay, just now mentioned is about 5,000 people. Okay, 5,000 people. Okay, so number 4. In which festival do children win money? So which festival, belly wagging or camel cup, can the children participate? 哪一个 对小朋友可以去参加的，所以我们是 very begging 还是 camel cup？两个哪一个小朋友可以去参加？哪一个？Hello，左边还是右边？左边还是右边？哪一个？England 的还是 Australia 的？Yes, England 的。Okay, so in the Valley Wagging World Champion, the children can win for them money. Okay, next. How many camels races are there during the day? Okay, just now we mentioned there are 9 races. Okay, 9 races. 所以在这里呢，我们有9场比赛 during the day. So for one day, they having 9 races because more than 5,000 people. They have more races for them, so won't be crowdly. 那么呢？它有这么多的话呢，就不会有拥挤的问题，因为你试想一下，如果5000只的那个 camel 在那个沙漠上走的话，是多么拥挤的一件事情，所以他们分成9个 races。Okay, last one. Which sport do you think is more dangerous? Is it valley wagging or camel cup? Which one do you think more dangerous? Yeah, camel cup. Okay, camel racing. Why? 为什么呢？对了，Okay, so it's fast and difficult. Okay, even it's slower than the horses, but it's fast also. It's considered fast also, and that is very difficult to rise them. Okay, difficult. Okay, so this is about our class, and our today homework, you have to complete page, sorry you have to complete your workbook page page 26 and 27. Okay, page 26 and 27. Okay, you have to, yes, workbook, you have to complete 26 and 27. Okay, 你要完成的是第26和27页，26和27页。Okay, workbook 26和27页。Okay, so any question? No. Okay, if no, then I will out of the class. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, remember to learn your dictation. It is on Friday. Okay, bye.